Hi, this is Karen. Welcome to another dolallycrafts. This is the card we're making today. I think I mentioned a few weeks ago that I'm running out of ideas for anniversary cards, and I found that I didn't have too many in my stash. So this is another one that I came up with. Oh, I haven't done the inside of this one. So I'll have to come up with something later to go inside, but I thought the outside was quite effective, so I hope you think so too. I think we'll get on with it. Okay, so I'll pop this aside. All of the measurements and details can be found on my blog. The details are in the description box below. If you can hear me rustling off to the side, I'm looking for my Stitch Shapes framelits, but I think, yes, I haven't put my oval away, so I'll pop that there. So to start off with, we need to mount our top cardstock, which is just layering weight Whisper White, onto the Bermuda Bay cardstock. And the reason I'm using the Bermuda Bay is because we had the Bermuda Bay sparkling ribbon as part of our celebrations. Okay, as you can see, I've got this on a diagonal going across there, so I'll be back in a couple of moments. I've just got to go and die cut this. Okay, as you can see, that's come out really nice. So what I'm going to do now is the interesting bit, which is the threading. So we'll come in with our Bermuda Bay ribbon, and what I'm going to do is actually measure, well, not measure, but just roughly calculate how much of the ribbon I'm going to need to do 3 lengths downwards. You could just wrap this round, but I think that's a waste of really nice ribbon. And the same, sorry about that, that top sheet's just getting stuck there, and I'm almost out of this, so you can tell it's one of my favourites. I'm hoping they're going to add something very similar to our next annual catalogue, because this ribbon is gorgeous. Just picks up those little hints of glitter in it, just really pick up the light. Okay, as you can see, there's not much left on there. Okay, we'll bring this in, and I'm just going to get some glue. Okay, so glue dots on both ends. That didn't come off, did it? No. I'll fast forward this bit so that you're not sitting around waiting for me to do all of this. Okay, this is where the real fun begins. So what you do, just fold over that top part with the glue dot on, come down and just eyeball so that it's straight. It looks like I've got a glue dot stuck to my finger here. Hang on. Yes, I do. Get rid of that one. Okay, so that's the first one. Do it again and just space it 1 ribbon width away from the previous one. Like so. And flip it again. And that one didn't stick. I've got glue dots not wanting to stick to ribbon, but wanting to stick to me. Okay, so bring that up 1 ribbon width away, like so, and then the same with the third one. There we go. There we go. Now, this is where the fun begins. I've got to watch where I'm doing it this time. So this one has to go under and then over, and we will bring that around the back like so. The next one, as you can guess, goes under the outer ones and over the top one, over the middle one, and then once again is wrapped a ribbon width from the one above it, like so, on both sides. And then the third one repeats what we did with the very first. So under and over, and a ribbon width from the one above it, like so. And that one will need trimming because it's just a little bit too long, and I've just realised the glue dots at the end of this ribbon, so I'm going to have to add an extra glue dot just under that end piece. So I'll just pop that there, and I've got another one stuck to my finger. They don't want to stick to the ribbon so much as they want to stick to me. Okay, so a ribbon width, and there we go. So there is our ribbon weaving at the front. Now, to make sure these aren't going to go anywhere, I give a really good coverage like that on the back, and that will keep them stuck down. Actually, what I did do on the original was use some double-sided tape and just snip pieces of it off to tape over the top of the ribbon, just to be on the safe side. Only because, depending on how long the recipient keeps this card for, over time the glue dots will dry. And if they keep this for 10 years, they might take it out of the envelope or wherever they have it, and the ribbons might just come off because of the glue dots. Okay, so then we bring in dimensionals and pop our dimensionals all over the back for support. There we go. Now you don't have to take the backing off all of these dimensionals. I know, sacrilege, what a waste. But they're really only there as support. You could use foam, a sheet of foam, to give it plenty of support on the back, but it makes it awkward when you've got to line up the oval shape. So it's easier to use the dimensionals for this bit. Okay, now I did stamp anniversary out, but as you can see it's crooked, so I'm going to flip that over, bring in my anniversary. I thought I kept it out. Here's my teeny tiny sentiments. I must have put it away. Nope, it's still out here somewhere. Okay, make sure that's clean, and we'll bring in the Bermuda Bay ink. I need this over here. It's not too bad actually. Pop that there. Now, scissors. There. because it's on that side. I should have... Let's try that again. There. I think I got straighter with the second stamping than I did with the first. Okay, we're just going to flag this end slightly, not massively. Just like that. And then this will go over here. Brilliant. Alright, so in with the dimensionals again. And we need one there. And one there right next to it. We don't really need one at the end because that's got to weave through the ribbons. So we'll just pop that there. Weave that through like so. Bring it back a bit and line it up with the edge. There. And then in with some tiny rhinestones. Like so. And then we're just going to dot some rhinestones into the back of our weaving, just to add a little bit of glimmer. Like so. Okay, so move everything aside. That's the card I started with as my sample. As you can see, the inside's blank, but you could do a little bit of weaving just on another layer on the inside of that one, which is probably what I will do. And there is the one that I've made today. Oh, the happy anniversary isn't as straight, but I hope you liked today's card and you will give it a go. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber to my channel. And as I said, the link in the description box below will take you straight to the web page where all of the details can be found, the sizes, papers, and all the rest of it can be found listed there. Okay, have a great day, and I will see you next time.